Good morning, class first. Today we will start a new chapter. Lesson 9, words in place of naming words. So I have told you what is naming word. Names are naming words. What? Names. All the names are naming words. So some words we use in place of naming word, because again and again we cannot repeat naming words, we cannot repeat a noun. So in place of the noun we use some words. That words are called pronoun. Like Sita is going to market. Sita is taking vegetable from the market. Sita is taking other groceries from the market. So again and again we are saying Sita, but if we use a word in place of Sita, then it will take less time to speak. Okay, like Sita is going market, she is taking vegetables and other groceries from the market. So she is coming in place of naming word, that is in place of Sita. So she is called pronoun. So like this, many pronouns are there: he, she, it, they, we, them, I, you, your, we, our. So in this chapter we will learn about the pronoun. Now let's do the exercise 1 from page number 69. Circle the words used for naming word and write it. First sentence is I am a boy. So I is the word used in place of naming word. Okay, so I is a word and I refers to boy. My name is Rahul. I am a boy. My name is Rahul. My is a naming word and my refers to Rahul. But why do you call me? Me is a naming word and me also refers to Rahul. Like this, we are girls. We is a pronoun. Some call us pearls, pronoun us, and us also refers to girls. You know our names. Our, it refers to girls, and you for who is listening. But why do you call us? Us with funny name. Us is also a pronoun and refers to girl. Our is a pronoun and refers to girl. So this one and this one I have done, and these two you will do in book. Now next exercise, do in a book. Read these lines and underline the word used for naming words for people or country. Write against the underlined words the word for which it is used. Okay, so first is already given. Example, we are Indians. So we is a pronoun, the word which is used in place of naming word, and we is used for Indians. India is our motherland. So our again for Indians. Okay, it is the best country in the world. It for India. It is the best country in the world. We love it. We for Indians. Okay, we love it. It again, it for India. We will make it strongest country. We, this we for again Indians, and it for India. I have written 2 or 3 times. You can write only one time. R for Indians, it for India, and V for Indians. Next, similarly, the third exercise we have to do. Okay, so he refers to Raju. Okay, he is my best friend. Shalu is a girl, she. So she refers Shalu. Okay, she is also my best friend. They are my busmate. They means for both Raju and Shalu. Okay, we all, we means me, Raju and Shalu. So these are pronoun, and these pronoun refers these naming words. Now next, draw the picture yourself, a picture of a boy, picture of a man, picture of a girl, and a picture of woman. Do in book. Now we will learn about male or female. So we use he for male and she for female. And male is also called masculine, like our father, boy, man. And female is called feminine. Mother, sister, girl, woman are feminine. So after doing this work in copy, you will do this exercise in copy. Okay, he is a Rahul, so he is male. She is Rani, she is female. We are boys and girls, the boys and girls both male and female. They are teachers, teachers can be both male or female. Now here you have to fill he or she, him, her, they, which is the suitable word you have to fill here. My father is a strong man. He does yoga every day in the morning, but my mother is a delicate woman. She, because she used for feminine. She does not do any physical work, is always busy with kitchen. She is always busy with the kitchen work. My father loved my mother. Dash buys a sari for, he buys a sari for her every month. Her for female and him for male. My mother also loves him. Him we are using for father. She cooks good food for him. Him for male. Always watch TV together. They always watch TV together. Do this exercise in book. Next exercise do in book. In book only. My father lives in Mumbai. He is an engineer for male. My mother lives in Delhi. She is a school teacher. My sister live in Kolkata. Sisters, they are students of MBA. Sisters, because lot of 2 or 3 sisters are there. My grandfather lives in Delhi. He is our local guardian. My grandmother is 80-year-old. She is healthy even at this age. I love my parent and grandparent. They Love me too. Mother is saying Goody doesn't do homework daily. What should I do? Father, why don't you send her to hostel? Next exercise, do yourself in book. Now here, this you will do in your copy yourself because the help box is given. First one colony will come, after that connected, then engineer, this one, fourth is guardian, then computer, fifth one, and the last one is locality. Do it in your copy. Okay, now do sound practice. Jug, jam, joy, jar, joker, jacket, January, jeans, jailer, join. Now here z sound. Here's j sound and this one z sound. Zoo, zero, zip, zebra, zinc, zebra crossing, is, not is, his, because, zen. So complete your work and take care.